loves, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, today we're going to be creating these really fun, adorable little bird embellishments that we can use to add to our craft projects, junk journaling, scrapbooking, memory keeping, whatever you want to add them to, you can. They're so cute to make. They're really easy. I use some book pages to make my little embellishment for the bird, and I use some tickets that I had like laying around, leftovers, and then I put some really pretty ribbon on it. Super easy. Okay, so I want to show you how I made them, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of a sample if you don't have these tickets that you know, that literally these tickets are, you can find them anywhere. They usually have them like in little bundles of like packs like this. Let me show you. See, I have a whole bunch of these that I literally have in a little baggie. You can probably use these, which I'm sure that you guys are familiar with them, right? Or you can probably create your own as well with using like leftover paper, which I'm going to do that. And you can also use them with labels. Like you have some little labels laying around at home. You can actually literally use them with this label. Actually, you know what? We're going to use one with this label. Because labels are really easy to find anywhere. Those tickets are a little bit more complicated. They're not really complicated, but you know, they're specific. These labels are literally anywhere. You can literally find these labels anywhere you go, okay? So let's do one with a label like this. And then let's do one with the ticket. And then I have some like really fun little ribbons here. Okay, ready? Let's go. But before we go, we want to go back and rewind. Are you subscribed to my channel? If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're missing out on all these fun projects that we're putting together. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, make sure that you hit that subscription button so that I can really find my way into looking at my views and be like, wow, I got more subscribers. Yay. People really like my stuff. Yay. Okay, my loves, let's continue. Yeah. So, okay, so I have here the ticket that I want to use, and then I have my images here, and we're going to add this ticket also to use. Literally, this is all about layering. There's not really nothing else much to it. Layer, 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 layer. Create, 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 create by layering your image. The image, I can tell you, you can usually try to find these like really fun bird books in the thrift shop. I always find them there. Grab them. You can always fuzzy cut these images, and you can actually put them in a little baggie so that you can have them ready so that you can create projects with them. Okay, that's what I usually do. I usually fuzzy cut my image and have them ready for me to use. Okay, or you can use stickers if you want, or you can use book pages, whatever you want. Okay, so let me put this together for you. I already have these already fuzzy cut out. So how I want to layer my bird is really simple. I want my birds to be on the back of my ticket, just like that. And I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to actually use this bird to put on the back of this label. Okay, so what you're going to do is you need some double-sided tape or some sort of tape so that you can tape this down if you want. I have my double-sided tape somewhere around here. Here it is. Okay. And this is an embellishment that you can literally create in seconds. I like to put my double-sided tape on my ticket because I know like layering it down like this makes it easier for me to kind of align it correctly. Yeah? But you do whatever is easy for you. This is not really something that needs to be exactly followed down to like directions. You guys know me, and I always say it in my videos, I do not follow any directions. So okay, so I'm gonna layer my little ticket right over my little bird, literally right there. That's just gonna create a cute little layout on the back of the ticket. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this label. Just like that. And that just looks really pretty. Super simple, right? Okay, beautiful. So you can add things to your label or to your little embellishment if you want. You can add some ribbons, you can add some flowers, some like doilies. You can really add anything. For me, I'm going to add these little mini tiny doilies that I've been having forever. I got these on Michael's. I want to add these doilies to my image. And actually, maybe I can add these two doilies here. I'm going to add this one there. This one, I'm not sure if I want to add there or not. Let me see if I have a different. No, I'm going to use two doilies like that, okay? So find something that you can decorate your labels or your tickets with. Doesn't really matter with what. Whatever you find at hand that you find that is fun to decorate it with, you can do that, okay? I also have some wax, like wax seals here that I actually created on my other projects, and I had tons of them left over. I can actually use one of these and add them in here as well. You know, you could be creative and use whatever it is that you have at home. Okay, so I want to actually glue down my little doilies that I have there. So I'm going to glue it down. Just like that. You can also add buttons if you want. I mean, you can add so many things. This is literally like, there's no like limitations to this. You can add whatever it is that you want. I also have these really fun, tiny little envelopes, and I can also add that if I want to my project. I'm not sure if I want to do that right now, but this is just giving you suggestions. Yes, let's just keep it simple and easy so that we don't go crazy trying to figure out how to put this together. So my next thing that I want to do is I actually want to put a ribbon on these. So I have this beautiful, I love this ribbon. This is like a velvet ribbon. I want to kind of put this around, kind of behind my little doily and coming over this way, and the same thing with this one. So let's do that right now. So let's measure. Right behind this one, it's gonna go right there. It doesn't have to be exact. You can eyeball it if you want. I usually do anyway. And then we're just gonna add hot glue. I'm gonna use my favorite hot glue gun. I'm gonna start first from the tip. I'm gonna squeeze her in here. Okay, just to get myself in the position where I want to put it. And then I'm just going to literally just go across. So I'm just going to put hot glue on little sections. I'm not going to do it all the way because I just kind of want to control this. If I kind of put the glue all the way around, it's kind of hard for you to control where you want your ribbon to go. And literally that's the first one done. Let's do the same thing with this one. Kind of want to hide it back there. There we go. Okay. A little bit of hot glue. Work by sections. There we go. And there goes the second one done. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to add our little fun little ribbon bows to wherever you think you want to add yours. Yeah, so I think I'm going to add my ribbon bow here. Now keep in mind, the more you're going to put in here, the more it's going to be layered and the more it's going to be bulky, okay? So you got to keep that in mind. If you don't want it to be too bulky, then don't use too many things that are going to give you bulk, all right? I'm going to put this one here. And you can actually put another one here if you want. I think what I want to do is I'm going to add this cute little one right there. This cute little bow, I'm going to add it right there. Okay, perfect. And then for the ends, because this one is a little bit over, my recommendation is using fire. I like to use fire to seal my ribbon so it doesn't fray. However, I do want you to be careful. Oh God, I gotta go get my lighter. Hold on. I want you to be careful. I don't want you to burn down your house, and I don't want to be responsible for anybody getting injured. Please make sure you're over age of doing this, and make sure that you're very careful, okay? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to burn the ends of my ribbon, just like that. Very, very simple. See that? That just gives it a nice seal. It kind of closes it in with the heat, and it won't fray and it won't go anywhere. And that literally works perfect for all my projects. Now, because this one, I kind of cut it a little bit short, as you can see there. That's okay, because I'm going to add another wonderful embellishment on this end to kind of make it work for me, okay? So I'm going to add these wonderful wax seal that I have created a while ago, and I'm going to add my wax seal right in the end of this little section. So use your hot glue. Okay, I'm going to cover the little imperfection of me cutting my ribbon short right in the end right there, and that literally just covers that little imperfection. That looks actually really, really cute. Over here, you can do two things. You can also add a seal if you want, or you can also add another flower or ribbon if you want. I'm gonna add this one because I'm obsessed with this one. You guys know me. I love using these gorgeous, gorgeous ribbon flowers that I got at Michael's. It just gives your project such a beautiful, gorgeous vintage look, and I love it. All right, so I just added a little bit of hot glue and I added it right there to the end, okay? And I gotta tell you, literally, we're done with our embellishment. This is exactly what I'm talking about when I say simple, easy, not too complicated, not too many stuff to use to create your project, and it looks gorgeous, gorgeous. Obviously, if you want to go back later and you want to keep adding more things to it, you're welcome to. For example, if I wanted to add that cute little bow there, I could do that there. Or if I wanted to add the bow in this section, I can also do that there as well. So you can go back and you can add more things. But the idea behind creating it is super, super easy. And that is what I wanted to show you, okay? So my loves, literally in no time, we created this super fun embellishment that you can add to your junk journal. You can add to any of your scrapbooking or any crafting project that you have, okay? There you go. That is how you do it. This is another one that I did earlier. I'm going to show you a little different one so you can see. This is another one that I did earlier with a little ribbon on the bottom. This is another one. And this one is my favorite because I think this is huge. And it has this little butterflies right there. So it's literally super easy to create and fun and with not a lot of supplies. Yeah? Yes. Okay. I love you. I hope that you enjoy watching me make these really fun embellishments. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. And I will see you back on another fun tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.